Imagine a world where the boundaries of learning are not confined to the four walls of a classroom. This is the world that began to take shape in the 80s and 90s. A world where the dawn of a technological era in education was just beginning to break. During this time, the introduction of computers and the internet into the educational sphere marked the beginning of a new epoch. Suddenly, information was at our fingertips, and the world became a much smaller place. The traditional classroom was no longer the only place for learning. The internet allowed students to explore the vast expanse of human knowledge from the comfort of their homes. The benefits of this technological integration were manifold. Student engagement skyrocketed. The once monotonous lectures turned into interactive sessions. Students, who were once passive recipients, became active participants in their education. They were no longer just absorbing information, they were interacting with it. Alongside this increased engagement came improved digital skills. The ability to navigate the digital world became as crucial as reading, writing, and arithmetic. In this new era, being digitally literate was no longer a luxury but a necessity. But the impact of technology in education didn't stop at engagement and digital skills. It also enhanced communication. Teachers could now reach out to students outside of school hours, and students could collaborate with each other on projects from different locations. The physical barriers that once hindered collaboration were now a thing of the past. As technology continues to evolve, so does its role in education. From interactive whiteboards and handheld devices in the 2000s to today's virtual and augmented reality, technology is continuously reshaping the educational landscape. Thus began an era where technology and education started to weave a fascinating tale of transformation. This tale is still being written, with each new technological advancement adding another exciting chapter. So let's delve deeper into this narrative and explore how technology is continuing to revolutionize education. As the 21st century dawned, technology started becoming an integral part of our classrooms. It was during this time that education began to transform in ways we could only have imagined. The introduction of interactive whiteboards and handheld devices began to revolutionize the way we impart knowledge. Education started to become more engaging and interactive. Whiteboards were no longer just platforms for teachers to write on. They became interactive screens that could showcase videos, animations, and simulations. These interactive whiteboards opened up a world of possibilities, making learning more dynamic and visually appealing. Handheld devices, too, started making their way into classrooms. Gone were the days when students had to carry heavy bags filled with books. Information was now at their fingertips, literally. These devices not only made learning more accessible but also encouraged self-paced learning. Students could now learn at their own pace, revisit topics they found challenging, and explore areas they were curious about. But the benefits of technology in education extended beyond just student engagement. It started playing a crucial role in administrative tasks as well. Tasks such as attendance tracking, grading, and report generation, which used to take up a significant portion of a teacher's time, were now automated. This allowed teachers to focus more on what they do best: teaching and mentoring. Technology also began to bridge the gap between parents and educators. Parents could now stay updated about their child's progress, attendance, and assignments through digital platforms. This fostered transparency and allowed parents to be more involved in their child's education. As we moved further into the 21st century, technology began to become a norm, rather than an exception in education. It started permeating every aspect of education, transforming the way we teach and learn. The 21st century marked the age where technology and education became two sides of the same coin. The new normal in education had arrived, and it was here to stay. Fast forward to the present day, and we find ourselves in a world where education is being redefined by cutting-edge technologies. The blackboards and chalks of the past have been replaced by interactive displays, creating a dynamic environment where learning is not just passive absorption, but an engaging process. Imagine a history lesson where students can embark on a time-traveling journey, exploring ancient civilizations, and experiencing historical events firsthand. This is not a figment of science fiction, but the reality of today's classrooms, thanks to the advent of virtual reality. Virtual reality, or VR as it's commonly known, has transcended the boundaries of gaming and entertainment. It's now at the forefront of educational innovation, providing immersive learning experiences that are both engaging and effective. With VR, students are no longer mere spectators but active participants in their learning journey. But the technological revolution in education isn't just about virtual reality. It's also about augmented reality, or AR. Augmented reality overlays digital information onto the real world, providing an enriched learning experience. Think of a biology lesson where students can explore the human anatomy in 3D, or a geography class where they can traverse the landscapes of different countries without leaving their classrooms. These cutting-edge technologies are not just enhancing learning outcomes but also fostering creativity and problem-solving skills. They're transforming the way we think about education, making it more interactive, immersive, and fun. And it's not just students who are benefiting from these advancements. Teachers are also leveraging these technologies to streamline administrative processes and automate routine tasks, freeing up more time for what matters most, teaching. We're living in an exciting time, a time where technology is revolutionizing education. It's a brave new world, and it's just the beginning. Today, we are witnessing a revolution in education, a revolution driven by technology. As we stand on the brink of a new era, we can't help but wonder, what does the future hold for technology in education? Peering into the crystal ball of the future, we see a landscape of endless possibilities. Technology, already an integral part of our classrooms, will continue to shape and redefine the way we perceive education. The classrooms of tomorrow will be a technological utopia, a symphony of innovation and learning where no student is left behind. Imagine a world where every student can access a universe of knowledge with just a few taps on their handheld devices. The walls of the classroom will extend beyond physical boundaries, creating a global learning community. Interactive displays will transform into immersive experiences, and virtual reality will transport students to different eras, cultures, and even planets. Learning will become a personalized journey tailored to each student's pace and interests, thanks to artificial intelligence. AI will not only automate administrative tasks, saving teachers time, but also provide personalized learning paths, identifying gaps in understanding and offering targeted resources to bridge them. And let's not forget the power of augmented reality. It's one thing to read about the pyramids of Giza, but another entirely to stand in their shadow, feeling the sun's heat and the desert's wind, all from the comfort of a classroom. The abstract concepts of science, mathematics, and history will come alive, fostering a deeper understanding and appreciation. In this technological utopia, the role of educators will evolve too. Teachers will become facilitators, guiding students through their learning journeys, fostering creativity, problem-solving, and critical thinking. They will utilize technology to engage students, spark curiosity, and create collaborative, interactive learning environments. This future isn't just a pipe dream. It's a very real possibility that is slowly but surely taking shape before our eyes. As we move forward, it's crucial that we continue to embrace technology and harness its potential to transform education. In the grand scheme of things, technology doesn't just change the way we educate, it changes the way we evolve. The future of education is not just about learning, it's about evolving with technology.